What's up YouTube? We come back with another video, another banger mini trade recap. So without being said, let's go directly to the chart and explain the trade. So first of all, we have for our chart, let me delete this, and Nasdaq. Of course, we took a trade on Nasdaq. We have the 4-hour chart, or the higher time frame. So I saw this PD array, and they expected lower prices from this, especially when, tell me, especially when we got an SMT with ES here. Nasdaq took this buy side. So let me type this SMT. Whoa, SMT. I can spell it wrong. SMT with ES. Let's go to the. Where is the ES? Yeah. Give me a minute. Same thing on ES. We have this 4-hour for value gap as an SMT. As a high time frame PDA, and we have this SMT. So if we notice, Nasdaq took this high, took the buy side from here, and made a higher high. ES made a lower low. That's a failure. ES is weaker here. But why did I trade Nasdaq? Why I didn't trade ES? Let me explain. So first of all, was our crown liquidity. This is London lows, and this is Asia lows. And also we have this new day opening gap. I was sorry. Yeah. So I was waiting. This is market open. Let me. Where is the market open? 9:30. 9:40. This is 9:30. No, I want to come down. I just do like dots. Okay. This is market open. We go down to the 5-minute. Why? Because we topped our PDRA, we made a potential SMT. So I go to the 5-minute time frame. Same on ES. This was market open 9:30. Okay, we go back to the 5-minute. This was an SMT, and look at this. We go on 5 minutes. I was waiting for this bearish fair value gap to get invalidated on ES, of course. So let me delete this. It came down more. I was waiting for this fair value gap to get invalidated on ES, so I decided to trade ES or Nasdaq. Till now, I wanted to trade ES. ES is weaker. ES invalidated the bullish PDRA. I wanted to trade ES. So why did I trade Nasdaq? Let me go to the 1-minute time frame where I entered. So basically here we took liquidity to the buy side, and then we made another SMT for the lower time frame. So I'm trading in 1 minute. I'm trading for a small period of time, no more than 30 minutes maybe. My time average on trade is about 10 minutes, 5, sometimes 5 minutes. So we made another SMT with ES. Comments below if you want me to explain what is SMT. So this is SMT with ES. We made another SMT. Let me go to ES and we confirm that. Okay, so ES we made a higher high. It's a higher high, it's not equal highs. You can see clear here. ES made a higher high, Nasdaq made a low low. Also, ES invalidated a bearish 5 minutes for value gap. So I was waiting for any type of entry in Nasdaq here. I was waiting for this fair value gap to get filled so I can enter off. This fair value gap didn't get filled. It's okay. Nasdaq continued dropping. I saw this big 1 minute fair value gap, 1 minute and 3G. So and also combination with this. This is the FVG, and also combination with this 1 minute fair value gap. I knew this fair value gaps is gonna be breakaway gaps. Market will not reach them, and if the market reaches them, this trade is invalidated. However, I took the trade right here, and they had a wide stop, like 41 point stop loss right here. Why? Because if I go to the 5 minute, holy shit, if I go to the 5 minute, I see that the market left a big 5 minute fair value gap, so there is a potential to fill this gap and continue lower. So I entered here, so I give myself a tight stop loss. I could have easily give myself just this minute fair value gap inversion, and I would have like more IRR. So was my first target. Those equal lows. That was my first target. Those equal lows for 2.9 RR, pretty much a good RR. Yeah, and the rest was for London lows and Asia lows. The market reached them, but eventually I made a mistake, so we could learn from this mistake. I titled my stop loss to here, so the market kicks me out and then continued on. Let's go to the execution. This is trade locker. This is our 10K account. It's sitting on 3% profit right now. I'm gonna start leveraging more on this account. So let me go just to the execution. I won't cover the trade more. So yeah, same fair value gap we entered. Let me delete this. Same fair value gap we entered our first target on this equal lows, and then what I did, I tightened my stop loss from this swing high to this swing high. I should have been weighted more. I should have weighted more, I should have weighted more. Or at least I put my stop loss above this for value gap, but I didn't want to lose those couple of dollars, So that was emotion trading. I don't advise you to do that. You shouldn't do that. You're a failure if you did this. So look how much profit I have missed. I could have like more than halfway to pass this phase one on this account if I could hold to this. Yeah, that was hurtful, but we learned from it. Like I said, nothing is, you can see I executed here my first partial. I took like 60% of the trade, the rest took here. So this pretty much, I hope you learned something. This is what was in this video. I hope you learned something from today. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Maybe we'll put my TikTok under the video too. So peace.